welcome back. First off, welcome back to Now Boarding with your boy Davin Hampton. Going to Europe this time. All right, 4 different countries. We got London, we got Barcelona, Spain, we got Venice, Italy, and we got Portugal. I just got done packing. It's about 2:30 a.m., right? Now, the original plan was for me to fly up to San Francisco, and then we fly together to London, it's the first destination, and so on. But every Southwest flight got canceled, at least in the LA area. So I have to drive to San Francisco, sleep there for the night, and then we fly out the next day. We got palaces we're visiting, all these different foods we're gonna try, all these different activities, plan out every single day. We're gonna spend New Year's in Portugal and finish our trip in Barcelona, Spain. I'm really looking forward to this one. Just experiencing the culture overall in Europe. I'm gonna be going over things to do in all these different countries. In London, I'm gonna show you if you can do it in a day. Is it possible? Everywhere else, we're going like 3 days, so you can do some stuff there. It's my first time going to Europe. Hopefully it inspires you to go to your first time in Europe. If not, that's okay. You just keep it light. You gotta stay tuned, man. This is gonna be crazy. It is 7:55 a.m. I'm on 4 hours of sleep. Not even on 4 hours of sleep, really like 3.5. Dude, I'm tired, but we got this 5-hour drive. So, wish me luck. This is what it takes sometimes to go to a different country. You might have to drive hours. Don't let it stop you, just a little setback. What's up, y'all? I'm in the lovely San Francisco airport right now. Little update, man. British Airways is amazing. They just gave me a free complimentary checked bag because apparently they're super booked today. Now I'm just waiting on the Queen so you guys can meet her. I'm excited. It's gonna be a dope trip. By the way, a price update. This flight only costs $450 round trip. That's to go to Portugal. So you have a whole day layover in London, then you'll fly the next day to Portugal. So $450, and then every other flight, like we're going from Portugal to Italy, and that's only $16 per person, without the checked bags and everything. But if you're traveling light, you can pay $16 and you can go to Italy, and then from Italy to Barcelona, Spain, it was like $34. So literally super cheap to fly to all these different countries in Europe. So make sure you bounce around when you go out there. I just can't wait for her to get here. Man, she's just great, you guys. You guys don't love her. She's here. Let's go find her. Look at the Queen. Meet the world. Look who it is. So, introduce yourself. Here's the mic.
Hello, I'm Banna.
Where are we going?
We are going to Europe. We're going to Portugal, Barcelona, Italy, and London.
First time getting on a plane that has 2 levels, like upstairs, downstairs. We sat on the main level because upstairs is smaller, and I didn't want to sit in a smaller seat. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Legroom is amazing. My knee is not jamming into the seat at all, and they recline. That melatonin is kicking in. Like, the fact that they really have games on here is so crazy to me. So we got the first meal service. We have chicken and mashed potatoes, some blueberry cheesecake, some rice, crackers and cheese, salt and pepper, water, and bread. Man, they're generous here. Bobby got pasta. She's not gonna eat yet because she's not feeling too good.
What would you like, sir?
What do you recommend?
The scrambled eggs.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Thank you. All right, chaps. I've got some breakfast for everyone. This is potato tots, sausage, scrambled eggs, fruit, and a muffin. How was the flight for you?
It was pretty long, but we made it. I fell asleep for most of the time, and I didn't eat any of the food.
For me, it wasn't, I'm used to it by now, but it wasn't bad at all. It just feels like a flight to New York, I slept on and off. But yeah, overall, it was cool. We are staying at the Radisson Hotel right here in London, about maybe 3 minutes away from the airport. It's super close. Only cost $118 for the one night we're staying here. That's after tax. Good morning from London. Welcome back to Now Boarding with your boy Davin and his lovely guest on this trip, Banna. It's like 5:10 a.m. here in London, and we have a flight to Lisbon in about 2 hours. So we're gonna head to the Heathrow. Is that how you say it? Heathrow.
Yeah.
Heathrow Airport, get some breakfast, and we'll be on our way. Of course, the rookie. It must be her getting held up by security. How do you feel?
Like an old chop.
So this is interesting. I don't know if it's like this for every flight that comes into Portugal, but a bus is picking us up and taking us to the terminal. So we're staying at the Moxie yet again. Stay here in Japan. And on a recent trip, I think New York. I like the Moxie a lot. It always comes with a welcome cocktail. Oh, damn, that's actually really nice. Minus the construction. We're going to Sintra. We're going to Banna Palace. You guys gotta Google that. If you don't know about it, you should know about it. It's amazing. With no traffic, I think it's like 30 minutes away from like Lisbon. I'm probably most excited for this out of all of Lisbon. So, yeah, stay tuned. Banna Palace, super packed, and it's December 30th, so it's right before the holiday. Definitely get your tickets beforehand online. I got mine on getyourguide.com. A bus takes you all the way up to the castle. If you want to get to the castle, it's going to be a 30-minute walk. I'm in some random garden here, but this place is crazy, man. Like, where does this go? There's some of these all over the place. So you guys, this bus to get up to the palace is €3 per person. It's cash only. So if you don't have cash with you, you'll be walking that 30 minutes up that hill. That's our view. We can see all of Lisbon. I must say so far, this place is lovely. Look at this view. Let me tell you guys, these photos that we just took, this whole place is like medieval times. Just look. We can just like, Where are you taking us, huh?
Take me on a trip.
Wow. So the Banna Palace was really fun, really cool. We got here around 10 a.m. and we didn't get to the palace until about 1, and sunset is at 5. We kind of are just rushing, trying to see what we can see before sunset. But the next spot is called Castelo de Moros or de Moors or something.
I'm telling our Portuguese friends to excuse our pronunciation. We don't know anything.
All right, so after a quick Google search, it's called Castelos dos Moros. I hope I'm saying that right. In English, it's like Castle of Moors, M-O-O-R-S. The Castelo dos Moros is only like a 5-minute walk away from the other palace we're at. But like I said, make sure you book your tickets in advance. We haven't stopped at any cafes yet, but like each palace that we've been to has cafes, cafeterias, all that stuff, bathrooms. So it's pretty convenient. We are going down this big hill in Sintra still, and we're going to our third spot out of 4 called Quinta da Regalia. Hopefully I got that right. I don't know. Don't laugh at me. We made it, you guys. So beautiful, man. It's crazy. It wraps around. I don't know if you can see people, but I don't know how long it's gonna be. This is now the second time this has happened. We were trying to pay for a ride, the little tuk-tuk rides. They're so nice here, and they're like, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's only like a 5-minute walk. You should just walk instead. She's mad that we have to walk, but it's like—
I wanted to pay to drive.
But like, damn, like they're so nice. They want us to keep our money. I'm messing with Portugal. I like it a lot. We finally found a burger spot called Hamburgers Real. And this spot I heard was fire on TikTok. Hopefully it's actually really good. She got a burger and fries for 10.50 euros.
I don't care if this burger tastes disgusting. I'm gonna eat the entire thing.
Sorry if you guys are hearing my smacking. Really good though. That burger is like, what do you think, 1 through 10? I think it's like an 8.5. It's like lasagna on a burger, honestly.
No, I'm not messing with this burger. Like maybe American meat is like more, has like more preservatives and chemicals.
So you don't like it? What?
Not really, I don't.
We are at the Palace of Sintra. It's like a nice, really nice museum. It closes in 30 minutes, but we're not gonna be here in this part of town.
Honestly, come back to me. Honestly, I'm really not impressed by the food in Lisbon. Like, we had a hamburger earlier. It was like, I had one bite and was just over it. This food was just like, I don't know, maybe tomorrow will be a little bit better, but I'm not impressed. 4.5 out of 10.
For me, like, that food was good. I'm just so tired that I just took like 2 bites and I was ready to go. Sorry, we're gonna go get gelato right now and call it a night, but it was good for sure. I have no complaints. But this place is really popular on TikTok, so it's called Kippy. We just got some gelato to end the night, man. We're tired, but we've been walking a lot. Whenever you go to Sintra, go into all those palaces, you're gonna walk a lot, no matter what. So treat yourself.
He doesn't like chocolate.
Not at all. This is some good gelato from Artisani. Focus. No, not on her.
Yeah, focus on me.
I got acai and fresh yogurt flavor.
I got chocolate, of course. I eat everything chocolate.